Good day to you. Kindly introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Sonia Gonzalez. I'm 37 years old. I'm married from Dave Gonzalez. I have one child. He is 18 years old now. He is studying at college level now. I graduate last April 2012 Food and Beverage Services NC2 from Belmix School at assessment by TISDA NC2.
Okay, so how about working as a domestic helper? Have you ever experienced?
Yes, I have experience in Japan within 3 months only because I am tourist visa and I work here in Philippines within 2 years household and Japanese family.
Okay, so you mean your working experience here in the Philippines for 2 years is that the employer is the same employer, a
Yes.
Japanese family, and then when they go back to Japan, they bring you together with them,
Yes,
and
yes,
and
ma'am.
you will just work for them for 3 months because of your tourist visa. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how old is the child that you took care?
He is newborn baby, and one is 1 year old. That's all.
Okay, since you had experience taking care of newborn baby and little child, so how can you take good care of them?
I take care of newborn baby. Uh, he's always
Did you
take a
prepare the
bath.
needs?
Take a bath always and take care of baby like my child and prepare all needs the baby.
Okay, did you let the baby have the vitamins?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sometimes a baby got sick. So are you going to inform your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I tell
so
her.
can you promise that you will love the children of your employers like your own children too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how about doing marketing job? Can you do it alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of financial problem, because because of my student in college.
Okay, you want to support your child with his studies.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So finally, can you give us your message to your future employer?
Ah, to my dearest employer, please hire me because I am a good domestic helper, and I will promise to do. I work hardly, and I will promise I obey the rules and regulation. That's
Okay,
all.
very
Thank you.
good. I hope that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. So before we end this interview, kindly show us your very best smile. Thank you very much.
See you in Hong Kong.